Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel Simulator Guru. We are starting a new video series for HFSS simulator. We will be discussing in detail from the basics of the HFSS, how it is very useful tool for the designing of antenna. Let's see the tool called as HFSS, whichever is installed on desktop. Here, here we are going to see the basic functions of this tool. Firstly, we can see that there are two options when we open the HFSS. First one is HFSS design and second one is HFSS IE design. We are going to see the design of antennas which can be done here in the HFSS design. When we click on this, we can see that there appears a project manager window. Then here there will be all the components which we are going to take in our current project. Okay, here the message manager is present. Whatever the errors or during the simulation, if some error occurs or any warning is there, we can see that in this progress window, we can see the progress of our simulation. Here are some shortcuts which we can use during the design of our antenna. Basically, here the new whatever is there is used for creating a new project. Simply open this will open the examples or any project which we have created previously can be opened using this function. The basic save function which we can see, it is very common as every software has the save function. Now we will see the 3D blocks here whichever are present. Like we can draw anything like box, we can draw a cylinder or a polygon or a cone, sphere, various things we can draw using this 3D design directly. And here the main thing you need to understand is XY plane. Means we can change this plane as by clicking it, and we can do it as YZ plane and as well as ZX plane. Whatever plane we are going to work on that plane, we can select this using this option. This is a very important thing we need to understand. And here we can see this check mark which is used for the validation purpose. Whatever the design has been done, we need to validate it first. This can be done easily using this option, and these are various things we can understand, like if we need to rotate the axis, we can rotate this, like we can see the whatever angle view we want to see. And this is used for the pan. This is used for dragging, means the pan dragging. If whatever the section is there, if we want to drag it, we can use this. Then this we can use like rotating the antenna or the structure in the with the help of the coordinate circle. Whatever the rotation we can do it. Here we can see that we have also the 2D structures, whatever if we need to draw rectangle, circle, polygon and ellipse. Here by using this move or like rotate things, we can rotate our structure however we want, or we can also move this structure wherever we want. Like see, if we want to shift it in y direction, then we need to click here and we need to move this, and we need to click the place where we want to move. This is simple method for moving the structure. Here we can see that there is an option for duplicate along line. We need to click that and we need to select the rectangle. Then we need to move along the line. Like if we want to create a duplicate along the y-axis, we need to move this and we need to right click here, and we will get a pop-up window which is showing that duplicate along line, how many number of elements. If we need only two elements, so we have selected here two. If we want four, we can select here four. See, then we can get four different elements present. If we click OK, we have been getting the four elements with equal spacing. Whatever spacing we have kept it in the first place, that only spacing is repeated until the last coordinates. We can see the simple thing what happened is all the four are arranged along the y-axis. Let us see some examples present in this HFSS. Right click on files and open examples. Now we can see that there are various three types of examples present, like RF microwave, signal integrity, and antennas. We are going to see about antennas. So we will see some antennas. Here there are 4 5 types of antennas present in this tool inbuilt, which are as an examples. Let us see like a helical antenna which is present. If we double click on it, then we will then it will appear directly in the project manager window. We can see that helical antenna is present. Now we can easily make some use of these tools, like rotating. We can see rotating our antenna according to our wish, whatever the coordinate angle, whatever the view we want, we can see. Now I will tell you some different things using this visible option, hide and show option. If we click on this, we can see that here we will get whatever the elements we have been used in this design. Like we can see that element 1, whatever is there, if we click on this, it will be hidden. Like whatever the inner part of this antenna was, it was the element 1. Now if we want to make invisible the helical element, like if we click on it, it will be invisible. Simply this is very important while anything we are doing, like we are not understanding which element and how to draw and where to draw. That time we can use this easily and make a use of this. And here is the one more option which we can see only when we have been successfully validated, and then we can see here that analyze all. Now we will see the after the validation we will get this, like all the ticks should be green. If we get this all ticks as a green, then we will be successfully validating our design. There will be no error during the analyzing. Now if we click on this analyze button, then it should be that we should get the all the results of this antenna. Now we are going to see in the project manager. If we click on the project, then we can see that HFSS design antenna. Here we can see the excitation, whatever the excitation is given to the antenna. At the bottom of the antenna we can see it. We can see it easily that there is an excitation given to this antenna. If we scroll our mouse, we can easily zoom the structure wherever we want. These are the basic things which we need to understand. This will be very useful in our future videos, whatever are the upcoming. Here we can also have the analysis setup type. This is also a shortcut present here. We can use that also. And here the sweep also we can add as per our wish, whatever we want. And the radiation. These are various things which we can use and design an antenna. There are various things like whatever the components we have used here. If we click on them, we will see what component it is present and where it is present. I hope everything was understood properly. If you have any doubts, please comment below. And also, I would like to know which types of antenna would you like to see in the upcoming videos. Please comment below about the antennas you would like to see. If you like the content of the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.